Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
तर आम्ही हांगा एक बोरवेल केला आणि त्याच्या भितर 5,000 लिटर्स टँक आम्ही वयर हिलाचेर कन्स्ट्रक्ट केल्लो आसा आणि 500 लिटर्साचे ऑलरेडी टँक्स आम्ही गांवांत दिल्ले आसा. तितून आम्ही 62 हाऊस होल्डांक हे उदक पावता. तर एक बरी गजाल आसा की एक ल्हानशें पाऊल मारून आम्ही जर 62 हाऊस होल्डांक जर उदक दिवपाक सोदता जाल्यार अशें आनी कितलेशेच कंपनी आसा. हांव एक आवाज दिवंक सोदता सगळ्या कंपनींक की सगळ्यांनी फुडें येवन अशें गांवांनी वचून एक बरें काम करचें. कित्याक ज्या गांवांत आयज आमचे माता भगिनींक इतल्या गांवांत वचून डोंगराचेर वचून उदक हाडचें पडटा, सबंद दीसभर काम करून खंय ना खंय ताका एक विराम मेळ्ळो आसा.
We believe that these services and our commitment is required to reach to remote villages where the need is maximum and to hit the main areas of concern for them, mainly starting with hygiene through open defecation. So we have provided bio-toilets, take care of their water needs because that's also very critical. And we work closely with we have partners who help us doing this. Our Connexus partners who keeps all these projects on track. We have partners on village development and healthcare providing through VHAG from Goa. So they are doing excellent job.